TD Industries presents Be Safe.
Welcome to the TD Industries Safety Video. My name is Harold McDowell. Safety is very important at TD. We want every one of you to go home exactly the same way you arrived at work this morning. We care about you and every partner at TD Industries. Our family culture fosters safe behavior on the job site. In fact, your company has an industry-leading safety record of which we're very proud. Our peers and our customers admire and want us on their job sites. When people say that safety pays, it really does at TD Industries because of our employee-owned culture. The cost of every single accident, flood, or fire comes out of each of our pockets. It reduces our profit sharing, it reduces our earnings, and it affects our stock price. We have every reason as owners of this company to act safe and be safe.
At TD Industries, every TD partner works hard to prevent accidents. Our goal is to be accident-free. TD supervisors, foremen, and managers are evaluated with safety and injury analysis at the top of the list. If you are unsure about a situation, task, or tool, ask your foreman, ask your supervisor, or ask your safety manager. Need safety equipment? Ask your supervisor. TD issues hard hats, safety glasses, and gloves. Whatever you need, we can provide. Let's start with the first and most important question. Are you following your pre-task safety plan? We believe the pre-task safety plan is the #1 tool to prevent injuries. Your pre-task safety plan is designed to identify safety concerns before you start working on any activity and allows time to correct potential hazards. The plan is a simple worksheet with these headings: Activity, Potential Hazards, and Action Plan. Before work begins, each crew should list the activities they plan to accomplish in the first column. Then they should consider the potential hazards associated with their planned activities and list them in the second column. Finally, they should devise an action plan to avoid or limit those potential hazards and list those in the third column. Your pre-task safety plan should cover protective eyewear, clothing, fall protection, tools, and equipment. But these safety measures are only effective when you have the mindset to be safe and carefully consider potential hazards as a crew on your pre-task safety plan. Let's look at a few basic steps that can be taken to eliminate most injuries and discover how the pre-task safety plan can help. Let's say your activity is to move an object. Potential hazards might be straining your back and/or muscles and tripping over debris. Your action plan would be to stretch first, and then use proper body mechanics by lifting with your legs, not your back. You want the least amount of strain and movement possible. Avoiding unnecessary bending, twisting, and reaching can minimize the stress to muscles and joints, especially when repeating the body movement continuously, like when unloading a truck. You will also want to make sure that your pathway is clear of debris before you begin. What if your activity requires pushing a cart? Watch for pinch points, which are areas where your hands can become scraped, mashed, or trapped between two objects. The same is true of operating a scissor lift. Keep your hands inside the lift at all times to avoid being caught between the rail and another object. Questions? Ask your foreman, supervisor, or safety manager.